Hello, and welcome to the start of a new series of videos about comparing, or emceeing, or hosting, or facilitating. There's lots of different words for it, but basically this is about being the person who stands at the front of the room and glues an event together. Now, I tend to use the word compere, but I discovered recently that to an American market, they don't know that word. They tend to use the word MC, or Master of Ceremonies. So whether you want to be a compere or an MC or a host, whatever, welcome. And hopefully over the next few videos, I can explain a little bit about what it takes to fulfill this important role. It's an important role, but it's often an overlooked role. It's often, you'll find event organizers think quite last minute, oh, hang on, we haven't got anybody to front this. Or they'll maybe turn to their boss, their chief exec or whoever, and say, can you come and front this up? And quite frankly, that person doesn't put in the prep and doesn't make a very good job of it. So there are quite a lot of us out on the circuit as professional compares or MCs, but there are very few of us who do coaching in comparing. So it's always fun to work with people who are going to be stepping up as compare. Maybe they're hosting an internal event, for example, so they need some skills. So whatever title you choose to use, the role of compare is to glue an event together, is to lead to an extent, and to set a tone. But it's also to set up the speakers to do well. It's to keep the event on time. It's also to make sure the audience are comfortable and receptive and ready to listen to the speakers who are coming up. Over the next few videos, we're going to explore this in quite some depth. We're going to think about what the role of the compere is. We're going to talk about some of the very specific skills, timekeeping, introducing people, filling time when the wheels inevitably come off, which they do and they will. So come back to the playlist over the next few weeks and you'll get lots of tips and hints on how to be a great compere or MC or host or facilitator. I'm going to stick with compere for the videos, I think. See you next time.